So then, let's try some simple experiment with some HDPE pipes. First, heat up the inside of the pipe for a certain period of time, then press it diagonally. Pressure should not be too strong, and let the melted HDPE inside the pipe stick together. Repeat the same way at the other end of the pipe. Then cut the pipe 45 degrees in both ends. Apply the same method to the smaller pipes. And now we have all the parts completed. Assemble it with the rubber band and bring the tiny boat to the poolside to give it a try.